Hi everyone and welcome to EComm for free. My name is Dallas and I'm going to be teaching you how to sell online absolutely free. Okay, at no point will I ask you to buy anything or go to an external website and purchase any kind of packages or anything like that. Okay, this is solely a YouTube-based e-commerce course, and my whole prerogative is to be able to teach people how to make money at home. I understand through COVID and everything that's going on right now, a lot of people are unemployed, or people that are employed are having a hard time meeting their bills as well. So I want to show you how to make residual income sitting at home and maybe even turn it into a full-time job. Before we begin, if you are serious about making money online and want to build a successful e-commerce business, regardless whether you want to do it full-time or part-time, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that alert icon, so that way you're notified when new content is uploaded and to show your support in the channel. Alright guys, this online e-commerce course will consist of 3 sections, okay? Each section will contain anywhere from 5 to 10 modules, and each module can be broken down into about 1 to 3 videos depending on the complexity of it. Okay, I want to make things as easy as possible to understand. Alright, so today I'm going to be going over pretty much what section 1 is going to consist of. Alright, section 1 is primarily about getting started, finding products, and selling on Amazon. I chose Amazon as a good target for section 1 because Amazon is a huge market and you can make a lot of money selling on Amazon. The problem is most people get scared because of how big it is. It's actually really easy to get into, and it's really easy to use as long as you have somebody like me showing you, step by step how to use it. And having somebody to talk to, because you can ask me questions at any point in time of how to do a certain thing or how to grow a certain thing, and I'm here to help. That's the whole point of this channel, to make sure I'm here to help you grow. Okay, anyways, so module 1 is going to be going over how to find a niche and how to find products. Okay, a niche is pretty much a distinct segment or category in the market. I apologize, I stutter a lot. It is what it is. An example of a niche would be fitness and weight loss. An example of a product that falls under fitness and weight loss would be whey protein. Okay, module 2 will be how to source products from suppliers. I'm going to show you where to buy products at a manufacturer level and cut out the middleman. Little tip here is hardly anyone in America knows of this platform. Okay. Most of the gurus you see online on running YouTube ads and running Facebook ads and stuff like that, they're going to have a nice car, or they're going to have something catchy to draw you in, and they're going to make you pay an exorbitant amount of money and just show you the same thing I'm going to show you here for free. Okay, so don't get caught in that whole trap. Just, subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and I'll help you grow an e-commerce course. It's really simple, guys. Module 3 is going to be going over how to get started with Amazon FBA. So FBA is fulfilled by Amazon. Okay, I'm going to go over what exactly it is and how does it work. I'm going to pretty much give you the pros and cons of it and tell you, is fulfilled by merchant better than FBA? In some areas it is, in some areas it isn't. We'll go over that. I'm going to show you how to set up an Amazon seller account, and I'll actually walk through and I'll help a viewer set up an actual Amazon account. All you gotta do is like the video, and I'll pick somebody out and we'll actually set it up together and everybody can watch. Anyways, I'll show you how to navigate the seller account. I'll show you how to load products. I'll teach you about the Amazon buy box, how to win it. If you lose it, how to get it back. I'll help you read your metrics and stuff like that as well. I'll go over Amazon's closed loop financial system, and I'll help you run a campaign on Amazon, which is ads. I'll show you how to build ads. I'll show you how to deal with targeting and, how to sell your product pretty much. If you decide to go with FBA, I'm also going to make a video showing you how to prep products to Amazon's warehouse, how to convert from fulfilled by merchant to fulfilled by Amazon, okay, which is Amazon Prime. All the Prime badges you see on Amazon, that means FBA pretty much. Okay, I'm going to, for module 5, I'm going to help you maximize on your sales on Amazon. That means running promotions, how to deal with price competition, how to study your market and different products. And I'm going to help you perfect your campaigns using negative keywords, negative product targeting. I'll go over what that is too as well. I know a lot of this seems like a lot of information, especially for people that are new to e-commerce and stuff like that. But I promise I'll make this as easy as I can. And I look forward to helping each one of you, grow and make a successful business. Okay. I'll also be making like little videos on the side that I'll be uploading, daily, giving you like tips and stuff like that. And feel free to comment on these videos, asking questions. I'll try my best to get on there every day and answer all the questions as well. But besides that, guys, feel free to like and subscribe to this channel, and I look forward to helping you grow. And yeah, until the next time, guys.